Introduction. Welcome back to our channel, Content Creators. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of monetizing your content with the help of AI-based tools. If you've ever wondered how to make your online presence more profitable, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Segment 1. Monetizing content online. Monetizing your content online is a hot topic, and there are various ways to do it. The most popular methods include putting advertisements on your blog posts and publishing sponsored social media posts. But there's a catch. Segment 2. The challenge of consistency. To make a steady income, you need to create unique and engaging content regularly. And here's where AI can be a game changer. Segment 3. The power of AI-based tools. Meet Jasper, your content creation companion. Jasper is an AI-based tool that can supercharge your brainstorming, research, and drafting processes. All you need to do is provide a descriptive prompt, and Jasper will generate content for various formats, from blog posts to Instagram captions and even YouTube scripts. Segment 4. Using Jasper, a step-by-step guide. Let's take a closer look at how Jasper works. Simply input your prompt, and Jasper will produce the text for you. And if it doesn't quite hit the mark, no worries. Jasper can regenerate the content to match your preferences perfectly. Segment 5. Adding visual appeal with AI-generated art. But what about visual elements? Not everyone can afford a professional artist, right? Well, fear not. You can enhance your blog posts with AI-generated art from platforms like DALL-E. It's a quick and budget-friendly way to add eye-catching illustrations to your content. Segment 6. The human touch. Now, a crucial reminder, while AI can be incredibly helpful, AI-generated content still needs human editing and moderation. Don't forget to fact-check to ensure your audience gets accurate and reliable information. Segment 7. Pro tip: hosting a website builder. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip for you. If you're using Hostinger's website builder, you're in luck. It comes with an AI writing tool right within the site editor. Use it to generate content for your web pages, save time, and overcome writer's block. You can even create placeholder copy for your website effortlessly. Conclusion. There you have it, content creators. AI is your secret weapon for monetizing your content effectively. From Jasper's content generation prowess to AI-generated art and handy website tools, you have all the tools you need to succeed in the digital world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content creation tips and tricks. And as always, keep creating and monetizing. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, happy content creation.